No, no.
What are we finding so far?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
We just found raspberries and purple clover.
Okay. What'd you guys find? Oh wow, it's really deep.
Yeah, but it's nice.
Ooh, that's cold.
No, it's nice. It's nice.
Alright, show me.
It's nice when you walk into it. Over here. There's a fairy waterfall over here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. If you just go under those walls, you can see the fairy houses.
Woo!
You can come back in this little spot anytime and see the fairy village.
Oh wow.
Yeah, see, it connects to the fairy village.
That's pretty cool.
I think it does. Here is like colder than what you just tested.
Woo!
So,
That's pretty cool.
wow.
You guys want to eat some food?
Rippy, you hungry?
God.
Rippy,
You hungry, buddy? Okay, let's go make some food.
let's go eat. Come on.
Careful. I'm gonna set up our stove. Hey London, look, I found some chicory. I found some chicory. Chicory, we can add it to our tea.
What is it?
So this stuff is almost similar in the health benefits of dandelion.
Oh, well, can I go over and see them?
Yeah. We'll use this in our tea. Perfect. Now, I haven't really used this much, but I know it's edible. It's medicinal. You can pull the roots up and make a nice coffee substitute. And I'll definitely put more info down in the comments.
Is crazy or what? You okay?
Free clay.
Wonderful.
We're gonna make some pots.
My clay.
All right.
Let's get on.
Let's take this back to
Did you get the other clay that we just got?
Yeah, I got all the clay.
Now make it nice and shiny and moisturized.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll take that home and make some pots. Tell the guys what we found. Tell them what we found. I got the camera on.
So we found some clay in the mountain. You could find this anywhere on a mountain, only if you are like on a mountain that feels like really like squishy. And
Yeah.
like if you're on a mountain that like your shoes like squish into, like my finger is just squishing into the clay.
So what are we gonna do with it?
We're going to make cups.
Yeah.
Or pots or vases.
Yeah. Awesome. That is pretty crazy. You gonna walk in there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a cool little meditation spot almost, eh?
Yeah.
Go in. It looks relatively flat. Oh, it is flat. That's nice. Yeah, this should be our wild forest bath for sure. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. That's really cool. And I found something. I don't know. I don't know. An old handle of some sort. Weird. No, don't go up there. That's dangerous. It's heavy. Yeah. All right, let's get back and pack up camp. Yeah. It's cool. Next time we come here, I'm going to lay down in this and meditate. Hey, you going to do it with me? Right? Here's where we found the clay. Here's where we found the clay. We got lots. I don't think we need more. We have lots of clay. So yeah, we're going to go home and make some pots and then put them in the oven. All right, let's go. We still got to pack up our camp. Come on, Wildling. This whole area is clay. So, the weather turned pretty fast this afternoon. Started really raining, wind, cold. I got up early and I was tired. But at the end of the day, we came out in the rain and it's starting to really warm up. And the rain definitely added to the experience for the kids. It's not always about what you feel like doing sometimes. You got to do it. And once you do it, you'll find that it ends up being a heck of a lot nicer than you thought. Oh, minus this cold water. But yeah, we found some chicory. The girls are out with their mom in the water, which is nice to see instead of being on. And yeah, we're gonna set up the bio stove, make some food, make some tea. I had some strawberries and lemons in the fridge that were gonna go bad, so we're gonna make a game out of it. Okay, so we got a little fire going in this stove. Sorry, yeah, I didn't film that. It was a lot of work. We got some wood drying and our so like I said, we had some fruit that was going to go bad, so I decided to bring it out with us. But yeah, if you see this, see? There we go. Now I'm going to go get the MRE set up. The girls are over there playing in the water. And it did finally stop raining, so that's nice. So yeah. Okay, so here's how you want to do it. You got a flat bottom, so that's what you want. You want a flat bottom.
Okay, I'll move the tools over.
Okay, and then what you do is use your thumb in the middle. Push in your thumb. And you want to pinch it.
It's stuck on my thumb. It's actually stuck.
Yep.